Globally, if you see, the sustainability sector itself is changing, and there are multiple compliances. And investors, shareholders, even consumers are preferring any brand, any company that are climate conscious. How serious is this challenge, or rather, I should say, a shift in terms of CBAM compliance? Are importers actually going for suppliers that have cleaner production methods? Here in India, also, are suppliers choosing and changing their methods of choosing the vendors on the basis of carbon emission record that the vendor has?
Shubhamji, that is the whole point, right? Mean whenever any company which is supplying to you, if they are doing more emissions, they are not greener, it is going to cost you more.
Yeah.
Okay, so as a business, it is very natural for me to see that which is the vendor or which is the company which can supply the same quality product, which is greener, which will cost me less. So now, how do they can do that? Like for example, the customers that we are helping, we are now getting the data. Okay, we are doing the analysis, the deep analysis for all the data that we are gathering from all the suppliers which are supplying. And now we have a very deep down analysis of each supplier on their emissions. So we know that, okay, for example, supplier A, which is supplying fasteners, his emissions numbers are, for example, say 2.8. Supplier B, which is also supplying the fasteners, his emissions numbers are 2.4, and any other supplier. So we have very clear-cut mapping of the data on the dashboard. And then basically, as a company, I can drill down what are the methods which are being followed by all these suppliers. Can I talk to them and can work out with them that can they work with the alternative sources to reduce their emissions, which will in turn help me to reduce my cost of that product. Okay, so I think this shift is happening, and it is going to happen quite fast once the real numbers of the tax is going to pinch in, and it is going to to give the impact on my bottom line. I will be very conscious to select the suppliers based on how greener they are, how much product that they are giving to me are into this green zone category.